Hi friends, here Excel Guru Rajnikant. Zoom little bit. Whenever I get a queries for the post of MIS, I'll post immediately because I am not having time to gather all the questions and post at once. For that reason, whenever I get the question, I will post. Okay. So here it is. First of all, what I'll do, I'll delete this one. I'll show you. Here is the names. See, here is the different names. Okay. Some names are duplicates but case sensitive. Some is like that, some is like this. Okay. First letter is small and the next time second letter is small. So we have to find the age of the person who is having this criteria. Okay. So first of all, I will tell you one thing. Okay, big gate. So if I'll do search like this, it will say the true one. Actually, it will say the position. Means it's a true. Okay. When I try to find like this, it will say value. Why? Because it's a small letter and it's a big capital letter. So find is a case sensitive. Okay, it should find the capital A only. Then only it will get that one. Okay. So based on this, I will show you the solution. Okay. Equal to find of this comma in this expecting a single within text means expecting a single value, but I'm doing more than one, so it considered as an array. F9. See wherever it finds the position, it will pick up the one. Others are falses. So we need one. For lookup, you have to enter maximum number which Excel allow in one cell, that is 9.307. It will not, it's scientific notation, so it will not go and it will not show you the number. It's a very big number. Okay. So here we have to find the one. So it's a number. It is also a number. So it will find that number and the criteria, the result vector will be this one. It can, and this is an array. Okay, this is an array, but lookup can handle array. If I enter 18, is it right? Okay. Understood, guys, what I mean to say. I'll do conditional format for this. Alt HL and page down equal to this. If both rows and columns are logged, so I want only the column log. It should not check the C, it should check only the A. A3, A4, A5, A6, only A. Sorry, B. Okay. Is equal to this. It should not move anywhere. So it will be like that only. Okay. And make it bold, border, anyone. Font. Fill with new color. But it's a case sensitive. See, capital A is there. Here small A is there. So it will pick up this one only. If I enter Rajini, see, these many Rajinis are there, but it will pick up only this Rajini. Okay. To make you clarify, for that reason, I did conditional format. And now coming to second one, total 3 are there. Coming to second one. Okay. You have to find the vendor as per this. Okay, you have to find the vendor as per this. Okay, what we will do, because it's a text, search this in this whole range. Okay, here you will find the number, right? F9, 13. Okay, 13th position. It is in 13th position in second value, 01. We count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 13. Okay. So what we'll do, we don't need the numbers. Okay, we'll try like this. First of all, look up 9.9e plus 307, biggest number in Excel. Okay, comma, the result vector will be this. This is first time I'm doing this one. Let's check the answer will come or not. It is coming because here we are giving the biggest number. Here it is, some numbers are there like this, and it will ignore the value errors. It will ignore the value errors. And it will pick up only the number if it is found. Okay, 13. I give biggest number. It's not a duplicate. If it's duplicate, we will get a problem. In that, it is another position, another method is there. In the previous video, I explained that one. So here it is. Whenever it finds the number, it will pick up that position and it will show you here. Okay. Control Z. Okay. Now, I'm coming to another one. If I change 101 to okay, 106. That is not here, I don't know why. Alt DR different error. Okay. Clear all. Okay. 106. Sorry. 106. It is in 106. Okay. I'm coming to another one. It's very, very easy. I did in two methods, but I'll show you only one method. I don't want to make you confused for that reason. See, what I'll do, I'll search this name over here. F4, F9. So it is also an array. Okay, it is also an array. But here lookup will not work, guys. Lookup will not work here because we are getting truth. This another method is there. Maximum lookup will not work here. So what you'll do, simply if here we want only one true, okay, or means it will pick up the true. So many truths and falses are there, but it will pick up only one true. Okay, if anything true is there, then okay, sorry, I did reverse, is equal to here. Okay, F9 will be all truths and falses. If or anything true are there, then pick up the first one names are there. So pick up names. That's it. So simple formula, it's an array, you have to use control shift and enter. And here, one, okay. Okay. So here I'll explain you. 1 second. Okay. Enter. Control shift enter. Okay. 1 second. Now it's a date or it's a name. Now you have to find the date. Okay. Everything is okay. I'll copy this whole formula from here. Control C, F2, Control V. In place of B, we'll take this one, C. Control Shift and Enter. It's in a general format. See, you can see here. So convert into date format. Control Shift hash. Okay. First to Jan. Change 3 to 7. Let's see. Okay. So change this one there like this. It has to come actually. this, but here it's also this one is correct. To change 8, then 4 is there. They should come 3, right? By various form. Okay, what I'll do, I'll be back with this. Okay, guys, only with this. You understand? If you have any doubt, ask me. I will explain you in the comment box. Thank you, guys. Thanks for your